What's up? I'm back with more cool things about LUMI. I started part 1 by showing you Cascade View. Well, here's another. Color Note View. You might have guessed how Color Note View got its name. It's based on LUMI's unique connection between musical notes and the colors of the rainbow. It's designed to help you take your first steps towards reading traditional sheet music. So it's not just pretty, it's actually really useful. If you're already watching most of your movies at home, why not learn the soundtracks to those movies at home too? You can play tunes from Star Wars, Jurassic Park, Frozen, Titanic, James Bond, and many more inside the LUMI app. Popcorn not included. When you're practicing a song with LUMI, you can take it at your own pace. If I tap here in practice mode, I can slow down the song to 75 or 50% of the normal tempo. Or I can even make the app wait for me to play each note. It's kind of like having 3 gears for your piano practice. Learn the part slowly at first, and then play the song at full speed. Did you know that most songs in the LUMI app have a part for 2 hands and 48 keys? When you connect a second LUMI, like this, you can choose the right hand or the left hand part, or you can play with both hands at the same time. There are so many songs in the LUMI app that it can sometimes be hard to know where to start. So why not try searching for a song that's at your skill level? There are 5 skill levels to choose from. Start out with First Steps, which includes simple pop riffs by Calvin Harris and Dua Lipa, and then build all the way up to expert tracks, which include tricky finger workouts from Bach to Bon Jovi. How large are LUMI's keys? The answer is they're about 7/8 the width of a standard piano key. Technically, that's a 5.5 on the Donison-Steinbuehler scale. All that means is that they're almost the size of a piano key, but they can be easier to play for the average-sized hand. Chords are the building block of almost every song. Luckily, learning any chord is just as easy as learning any scale with LUMI exercises. So what chord should I learn today? How about the A minor chord? Yep, it's really that simple. LUMI coaches teach the lessons inside the LUMI app. Now this isn't just like doing a piano lesson on YouTube, because LUMI lessons are interactive. For example, when you follow along to the hands of a coach, the lesson will actually pause for you to get into position and then hit the right note. It's the next best thing to having a piano teacher actually in the room. When LUMI players were asked whose songs they'd most like to learn, the answer was overwhelmingly Elton John. Since then, many songs by the pop legend have been added into the app, including Tiny Dancer, I'm Still Standing, Your Song, and Rocket Man. So what if a case was also a music stand? Well, the LUMI Snap case is designed to do more than just keep your keyboard protected. Once your LUMI's inside, you can fold it like this, and then like this, and then you actually get a stand for your mobile device or tablet. Alright, now I'm going to practice my favorite song on the LUMI app. I'll catch you later for part 3.